Hello everyone, and this is Asif again on your YouTube channel Learn English with Let's Speak English. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss that how you can express likes and dislikes. In today's lectures, I will give you few likes expressions and dislikes, and also use these expressions in different sentences. So stay tuned till the end of this video so that you do not miss any expression about likes and dislikes. Okay guys, let's talk about the likes expression. The first expression is I like to play cricket. Number 2, I adore climbing. Number 3, I enjoy swimming in the river. Number 4, I like to eat fresh vegetables. 5, I love standing on the top of hills. 6, I am very fond of traveling. Number 7, I am fond of football. Number 8, it is very pleasant and enjoyable. Number 9, I go for walk. Number 10, I am crazy about. Number 11, I like music. Number 12, I like to get up early in the morning. Okay guys, now we are going to discuss a different expression about the dislikes. The first one is I hate smoking. Number 2, I dislike the person who talk in the street. Number 3, I do not like horror dramas. Number 4, I hate singing. Number 5, I do not like liar people. Number 6, I hate polluted areas. Number 7, I do not like fast music. Number 9, I am not very fond of traveling. Number 10, I am afraid I do not like pudding. Number 11, I hate standing top of the hills. Okay guys, this was today's lecture about the expression of likes and dislikes. If you like our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any new video about improving English language. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.